It's 3 a.m. Your phone buzzes on the nightstand. A massive whale subscriber just sent a DM saying, "You up?" Here is your nightmare scenario. If you don't reply in 5 minutes, he takes his credit card to another girl. But if you do reply, you are ruining your sleep schedule, destroying your focus for the next day, and burning yourself out. This is what we call the founder's trap. You think nobody can sell as well as you. You are wrong. A well-trained chatter, incentivized by commission, will outsell you every time simply because they are awake, fresh, and hungry. I have built teams that generate $50K a month without me ever opening the app. Today, I'm giving you the SOPs. Let's scroll down to the first major section, where to find top-tier chatters. Center that map on your screen. Stop looking on Fiverr. You need full-time employees, not gig workers. You have two main options here. Look at the flag on the left. The Philippines. Pros: excellent English, polite, and hardworking. Cons: they have to work the graveyard shift to match US time. Then look at the right. Latin America. Great because of the time zone, but the English level varies and it's more expensive. Here is the verdict. For 90% of you watching this, the Philippines remains the best ROI. Go to onlinejobs.ph. That is your hunting ground. Now, scroll down to the hiring funnel. This is how you filter the bad apples. I posted a job ad once and got 500 applications. 480 were useless. Look at step 1. Do not title your job OnlyFans chatter. Title it Sales Representative for Digital Creator. And look at the requirement. Must have experience with Infloww or Supercreator. If they don't know what those tools are, they are beginners. Skip them. Move your eyes down to step 2, the voice note test. This is non-negotiable. In the application, ask for a 30-second Vocaroo voice note selling you a pen. You are listening for confidence and grammar. If they sound robotic or shy, they won't close high-ticket sales. And step 3, right below that, the trial shift. Pay your top 3 candidates $20 to work 4 hours. Watch their typing speed. Watch their emotional intelligence. Okay, you hired them. Now what? Scroll down to how to train them. You cannot just give them the password and say good luck. You need to give them a brain. Look at the Bible. You need to create a Google Doc that defines the avatar. Name, age, pet's name. Does she say daddy or bae? Does she use the pleading face emoji or the devil emoji? If you don't define this, your subscribers will know it's a guy in the Philippines talking to them. Now let's talk about money. Scroll down to compensation models. There are 2 ways to do this. Option A is the winner. Hourly plus commission. $3 to $5 an hour base, plus 3% of net sales. Why? The hourly pays their rent, so they feel safe. The commission makes them hungry to sell that $100 locked message. Look at option B, commission only. Avoid this. It leads to high churn. If they have a bad week, they quit. Only use this for master chatters. Now, scroll down to the security section. This is the part that scares everyone. You are giving strangers access to a bank account. How do you not get robbed? Read the text in bold. Never share the main password. If they have the password, they can change the banking info and steal a week's payout. Instead, look at the tool mentioned there, Dolphin. You use an anti-detect browser. You log in, save the session, and share the profile with their browser. They get in without ever seeing the password. This is mandatory. Finally, scroll down to the shift structure. To run a 24/7 machine, you need the 3x8 system. Look at the breakdown. Morning shift catches Europe. Day shift catches the US. But the graveyard shift? 10 p.m. to 6 a.m.? Those are the horny hours. That is often where the most profit is made. If you want to scale, you need to fire yourself from the DMs. I'm giving you the blueprint here. If you want the exact job post templates and the training manuals we use, check the link in the description. Now, smash that like button if you want more agency content, and scroll back to the top to start hiring.